Good morning vlog. Willow and I are on a little walk. Okay, I just got back home from walking Willow and I have decided that I want Christmas to be gone today. It's not a lot of stuff, thankfully. I just have to take stuff to my mom's because I don't have storage, so that'll be a Monday thing. But yeah, definitely decided I need Christmas to be gone. And since Christmas will be gone, what's going to go in this corner is a little bar cart. I'm actually so excited, and today maybe we can go look for one and get that started, because that's what we've talked about, not getting something that's just like clutter and stuff, like shelves and stuff, just to put more decor on, because we still have to like decorate this wall. And so we felt like a bar cart would be really pretty cute right there. And I mean, we're not like mixing up mixed drinks every night, but I think it'd be cute to have a little drink station there. Good way to start the morning. I need to shower, make breakfast. I don't know where Willow went. She's probably worn out. Breakfast today is avocado toast. I'm trying to make myself like breakfast because I've just never been a breakfast lover. I'll normally just wait till lunch, but then I find that I'm like starving at lunch, and then I probably overeat what I should be eating. Or I don't eat enough. So avocado toast on whole grain honey wheat. They're just big slices, so that's why I picked them. So this is how I make my avocado toast. Obviously, first we got avocado, and I'm watching Love Island Australia. I don't know why. I think at this point I'm just too prideful to watch Love Island USA. Everybody says it's so good, but I've just been watching Australia and UK for so long that I just can't. I tried to watch USA and it just wasn't it. Okay, so while I'm making this, my avocado mash, I'm gonna put my bread in the toaster. You need lemon, pepper, salt, onion powder, red pepper flakes, and garlic powder. Using these in, looks like this. Mixed it all up. Put it on there. And here's my avocado toast. We have some apple over here that Joshua didn't eat, and I think I'm gonna cut that up and eat that too. Say hello.
It feels good on you for sure. It's not too nice, but the bigger ones are nicer, man.
Your car, but it wasn't in the door.
Can't wait to go get your ring clean.
Yeah. So this year, for the first time, we're doing a joint vision board something. So now we're at Michael's to get stuff for them.
You gotta be rolling this damn thing, man.
One of your own.
Yeah, I can do that today.
Poster board. Can you roll it up and put it in there, please? So, okay, we need Sharpies. We need letters and numbers. Sharpies. Like decorative things. Surprised that they don't have.
Ooh, what?
Which was like a million years ago.
Yeah, years ago.
Because you haven't been in school
Over 10 years.
for over 10 years because you're old.
10 years. Almost 10 years. Hippie hop. Hippity hop. That's the good thing about it.
Oh, look, here's letters. Okay, we need numbers, so we can put 2025 on there. Do we want... Oh, look, here's one. That one's silver. Or do you want gold?
Gold.
Stop. Okay, I'm getting these. Think of this one. saving for New York as a goal. Guess where we're at? Yep. There's only one right answer.
Only one.
You knew we'd end up here. Y'all wanna know what's stuck in my head? Aaron, Pierre, Mufasa. He doesn't know that, but it's stuck in my head and I can't get it out.
I want to look up what that oxy shrimp does. That EHP thing that shit does. Let's see what that does. Because it said...
Like, it's $30. I feel like I just need to get it. Digital album and lemonade film. Yeah. It is officially time to say bye to Christmas. Ornaments. Lights. Number one is going to be my great grandmother's train set. Christmas tree. It's kind of sad. Our first Christmas tree is going. It's gone. Good morning, guys. My hair looks literally insane. We're not going to talk about it. It is Sunday and it's literally freezing outside. I just took Will outside, and listen, I am not a cold weather girl at all. I hate the cold, everything about it. Don't like snow, don't like ice, don't like being uncomfortably cold. I want it to be 75 at all times. Ooh, I'm thinking about going to get some coffee. Okay, I'm thinking about going to get some coffee from Billy Joe's. Because Dutch Bros, like, sometimes it just tastes like burnt coffee. And then I realized with the weather being so cold that Willow doesn't have a jacket, and it's supposed to like be in the teens tomorrow apparently. So I need to go get her a jacket because the only one she has is at my mom's house, and she'll go back over there tomorrow. We don't have much going on today. I think we're gonna put together our vision board thing. It's really just like a bullet point with a few little pictures. Joshua is at church right now with his parents, and so obviously we're not doing anything until he gets back. But we are recording another episode of the podcast tomorrow, so I need to clean up in the kitchen and I promise I'm only drinking water out of that red Solo cup. We just had extra and I'm not washing another cup. Kitchen, clean the bathroom. That's really it right now, honestly. Like, there's not too much going on today, so this might be a little boring. I'm apologizing in advance. What's going on?
It's the baseline. So it's big for me. That's what a relationship is.
Like, look, like I'm not gonna like say that like I feel great. I've done nothing all day. It's freezing. I'm waiting on them to tell me to come get my groceries. So while I wait, gonna do this. Tropical. Okay, so one is. What is that? The cute little pots. Adorable. What is this for? Little stepper. Oh, it's to help place them. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah. It's supposed to help you put them on. Anywho. Legos are very therapeutic. I had to bust out the tweezers. So So on a whim today, I decided I wanted to attempt to make my grandmother's chili recipe because it's freezing outside, so why not? We just went to the store and we got, well, I did my pickup order because I have her written recipe for everything, so hopefully I got everything. Now I have everything I need. Realized I got, what did I get? The wrong size of these. What are those? Whatever it was, I needed this.
I want to see you eat an egg.
Oh, yeah, Jack.
What's the vibe?
I don't know.
When I first went to a speed dating.
Okay, chopping. I need to put this onion away. Chopping is done.
No, never.
She said unsalted butter, but oh god, oh no. Okay, all the tomatoes are in. Turn the heat down. I made a mess. Since I had more tomatoes than I needed, I added a little less of the tomato sauce. And so we'll see if I need to add that.
Two of you, tonight could be the end of your stay in the villa. Would you like to
Jiffy. Trader Joe's has the best cornbread. Hands down.
give you thoughts of maybe they could eat and Sophie?